We know you're the proud owner of a 2014 Silverado or Sierra, and now you're the proud owner of a DualLiner, the real truck bed protection system. Let's go through the installation process step by step. For the GM beds, there are no tools required for the bed itself. Let's start with step 1 and get the load guard panel into place. Make sure you angle it to get behind the factory tie-downs. Snap in place, and you're all done. For step 2, you'll need to grab your installation pack, which came in the DualLiner box with instructions and parts. Now let's get the sidewall installed. Start at an angle underneath the rail. Slide it up. Make sure that it goes under the rail cap, in the back, and in the front for the cleanest installation. Now that we have the sidewall installed and tucked under the rail, both in the front of the truck and at the rear of the truck, we're going to secure it to the load guard using the push pins provided in your install pack. Now we're going to repeat on the other side. For models that come with the optional upper movable tie-downs, we do have an option for that in which we cut out the first and third location for those tie-downs. It's also important to note that all DualLiner sidewalls come pre-trimmed for the optional factory under the rail LED lighting. Step 3 is to install the heavy-duty 3/8 inch thick ZeroSkid Rubber Floor. Notice the nubs on the underneath. This allows for airflow, water drainage. It will not trap water. We're going to start by installing at the front of the truck into the custom molded channel at the bottom of the sidewalls. Tuck it all the way down one side and then do the other. On to the last step, step 4, install the tailgate panel. Reach into your toolbox, grab a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to start by removing the 8 factory screws along the top half of the tailgate. You can put those in your toolbox and save them for later. We're going to replace them with the provided hardware from the install pack. Let's attach the tailgate panel. Using a shoulder washer and the provided bolts, we're going to realign the panel by the bolt holes in the truck. Start by finger tightening and use a hand tool so you don't strip the screws. In your installation pack, you're also going to notice double-sided tape and rust preventative gel. These are for use if you choose to either drill a hole in the tailgate panel or would like further attachment somewhere along the bedliner. Once the tailgate's installed, we're all done. That's it. Now you've got custom fit dent protection for your sides, heavy-duty ZeroSkid Rubber Floor for cargo protection, and your truck is protected for life. Keep in mind that that heavy-duty mat is 50 pounds or more, and it has come rolled in a bag. It may take a little while to sit in the sun to relax all the way out. Go to our website at DualLiner.com, register your lifetime warranty, and enjoy your hauling. Now that you've experienced how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they too can own the only bedliner that works. And send us your photos and videos. We'd love to hear about your experience at DualLiner.com, on social media, and YouTube. And thank you for supporting an American-made product.